So welcome back to part 4, the last video in this series. If you missed parts 1, 2 and 3, the links are below. So what we're going to be doing within this video is creating a virtual machine, a Windows VM 2016 server within the front-end subnet. That will be applied to the already existing availability sets, and it will have all the firewall rules applied to that subnet from the NSG. So let's take a look. So if we look at our script to create the VM, so we're going to be creating a network interface card named Nick in UK South for this VM. So this will be created in the front end subnet of a private dynamic address. It will also have a public address to allow us to RDP to that address over the internet to connect to the VM itself. So we specify the server name, server 01 in UK South. The VM size is a standard FS2 SV2. The operating system is Windows 2016 Data Center, and then we can specify a username and password within the script as well. So let's create the script, get the script running. So have a look in the portal before we run the script. So we can see there's no VMs there. So we go back to our Terraform directory, type Terraform plan. So we can see exactly what's going to be created here. So there's our network card that's going to be created, Nick. Public IP address. We're going to have our VM created, server 01, within the front end subnet. So if we now type Terraform space apply, if we confirm we've got the authorization to create the VM, so if we type yes to create the resources within Azure, if you go back to our portal and we can hit refresh there, we can see our VM is in the creating status at the moment. So I'll stop the video here. It's probably take around 3 minutes, and then I'll return when it's complete. If we have a look at the script now, see how we're getting on. Yeah, so it's around 3 minutes to create. The VM still actually says it's creating, but it's actually been created already. If we drill down and have a look at the VM itself, we can see we've got a public address there assigned. You can see it's in the front end subnet. If we go to our resource groups, now, if we have a look in the availability set, AS1, we can see the VMs present in that availability set. So if we copy the public address, and now we can RDP to it over the internet. So if we type the password, click OK, Click yes. So now we're connected to our instance over the internet via RDP to our Windows 2016 server within Azure. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video series. Please click subscribe to my channel for any up and coming videos. Thanks very much.